So how to make subscription button animated for your uh, video in your CapCut apps. First open your CapCut apps and import a video. Suppose I have to import this video, import it, and this is my video, and I want to add subscribe button on this video. First of all, I am then scroll down and click overlay this button, press on it and add overlay, and now select your button and press on it, and this is my button, and you can drag and drop, make size small, or you can put anywhere, and then you have to again go cutout option, press on cutout, and you see this kind of three option: remove background, customize cutout, chrome key. So we need to press on chrome key, press on it, and then you see this kind of round circle. You have to select your background color and then go to intensity. Now you need to 60 or 80 would be best option for you, and then press on OK. Now play your video. You see no background. This is how you can easily make subscription button animated on your CapCut apps. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.